You are going to love the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers, tires front all season, tires rear all season, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.